Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Bethesda.net launcher and updates, full guide step by step clearly. To download the Bethesda.net launcher, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Bethesda website. Look for the download section on the homepage. Find the link for the Bethesda.net launcher. Click on the download link for the launcher. The download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. A setup wizard will appear on your screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, launch the Bethesda.net launcher. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your Bethesda.net account. Once your account is set up, log into the launcher. To check for updates, go to the Library section of the launcher. The launcher usually checks for updates automatically. If updates are available, follow the prompts to download and install them. To ensure the best experience, keep the launcher updated regularly. That's how you download and set up the Bethesda.net launcher. Now you're ready to enjoy your favorite Bethesda games. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.